Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back with a makeup tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how I do my brows. You guys have actually requested it, and it's going to be kind of an up-to-date eyebrow routine because I feel like my brows have changed because I've been really trying hard to grow them out. Like, I've been really trying to grow this part out and like the bottoms and the tops as well, and I'm just trying to get them as thick as possible. So I'm going to show you my quick little routine. Okay, so for my brows, what I like to do first of all is actually brush them out. So this is just a normal eyebrow pencil by Rimmel. It's called the Professional Eyebrow Pencil, and you get a little brush. You get a little brush here, and then you get your pencil here. So the first thing that I like to do is literally just brush through my brows. Like, brush the hairs around, make sure that they are ready to go, like so. The first thing that I like to do with my brows is actually kind of draw, like follow this natural line under here, and then I will start filling it in. So I'll show you what I mean, but I like to try and start from here. And I do really soft strokes because this pencil is actually quite pigmented. So I like to do really small strokes like so. And try and draw, like try and join this into here. That is why that part is so messy, guys, because I'm trying to grow them out. It's not because I never get them done. Like, I'm trying to grow that bit out. So you just want to kind of follow your natural brow shape. That's the best possible advice I can give you guys, is to follow your natural brow shape. Then you want to jump up at the top and again just follow it around like so. When you come to this section, what I like to do is actually join it up. So if you can see, basically I just join it like that, and then I will start filling in this section here with really light small strokes, because the lighter you are with your hand, the more natural that your brow will look. And then when it comes to this section here, I like to kind of turn the pencil to a slant and just start drawing up, like small strokes upwards. Then I like to go back in with the brush and just brush through, just to make sure that they're all kind of going the way I want. That is how I usually have my brow. So I'm going to fill in this one, but look at the difference. You can see a massive difference. So this one I'm going to fill in now. And that, you guys, that is pretty much how I do my brows right now. They are very thick, but like I said, it's because I'm waiting for them to grow in how I want them. There's a lot that I still need to work on. I definitely want to work on getting this part in a bit more, and just like overall getting them exactly how I want them. But this is how I have them at the moment, and I'm pretty happy with them. Then what I like to do is, to make them stay in place, is taking the spoolie section. I just like to grab some setting spray. I'm using the Slay All Day Jared Cosmetics. If you want 30% off, just use my code. I'll put it up on the screen. And just spraying it, what I like to do is just run this through my brows. And I just find it keeps them in place all day. It stays all day, so that is pretty much only the slightest bit you need, but I just find this will make my brows stay all day. I think it's kind of trial and error with your brows. Like, I feel like you have to try a few different ways of doing your brows. For me personally, it took me quite a while because I really like my brows to be quite thick. If they're not very thick, then I feel like I don't look myself. And I must admit, I am definitely an overplucker. I overplucked my brows way too much when I was younger, and now I'm paying the price, so I'm trying to grow them in. I'm trying to grow them in as much as possible, and this is kind of how I've got them, and I'm pretty happy with them. So yeah. So there you go, guys. This is my easy, up-to-date brow routine. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please subscribe if you haven't already, because we are so close to 1,200. So I love you guys. Bye.